Hello and welcome to Plant Crafted Pantry. Today we are making gluten-free and vegan burger buns. So I'm starting off with 1.5 cups of warm water, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon each of yeast and sugar. And we'll give that a stir and set it aside while we mix our dry ingredients. In the bowl of my stand mixer, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder, half a cup of tapioca starch, 2.25 cups of gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. I will add the dough hook to my stand mixer and mix up the dry ingredients. Now that our yeast mixture is foamy, I'm going to add that to the dry ingredients along with 1/3 cup of oil. And we will let the stand mixer mix that up for us. I did need to scrape down the bowl a couple of times just to get all of those ingredients incorporated. And then we'll turn up the mixer to high for a couple of minutes just to make sure everything is mixed really well. Now I'm transferring the dough to a greased bowl, spraying the top again with some cooking spray and adding the lid. And we'll set this in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. So now you can see the lid has expanded and the dough has risen a bit. So we'll go ahead and shape the rolls. I divided the dough into 6 pieces, and I am shaping them into flattened balls about the size of a regular burger bun. And I'm placing those into greased 8-inch cake pans, and then spraying the tops with oil so they don't dry out too much while they rise. Set them in a warm place to rise. I'm using my dehydrator set at 100 degrees for about an hour. So you can see they've puffed up a bit during that hour. I did preheat my oven to 375 degrees during the end of that rise time. So we'll go ahead and get those in the oven and we'll bake them for 25 minutes. Once you take them out of the oven, place a dry kitchen towel on top to keep them nice and soft as they cool. And then once they are completely cooled, I will take them out of the pans and separate them. You can see they have a nice give to them. And then I will go ahead and cut each of them in half before storing them in an airtight container in the fridge or the freezer. So here is what the inside looks like. These are great to use for burgers, sandwiches, or just as toast with some vegan butter and tofu scramble for breakfast. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.